Bonjour tout le monde, hello everybody, salut, hi, bienvenue, welcome to French with Mr. Innes. Ça va? Ça va très bien? Ça va bien? Comme si comme ça. Ça va mal ou ça va très mal? Moi, ça va très bien parce que il fait beau. Today is one of our challenge videos, numéro 3. The aim is for you guys to respond to a challenge that I set you based on one or two of the videos that we've done so far in French with Mr. Innes. And if, and only if, you have an adult's permission, you can even tweet your work to the hashtag French with Mr. Innes. And I'll do my best to respond from my account at French Mr. Innes. For today's challenge, it might well be helpful to rewatch Day 5 on the French seasons. In this video, we learnt le printemps, l'été, l'automne, and l'hiver. So my challenge for you is to dress up in different clothes, pretending that it is le printemps, l'été, l'automne, and l'hiver. Then you could ask somebody to film you while you're wearing these different clothes, saying what season it is. Your video could look something like this. Le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. So bonne chance, good luck, and feel free to tweet your videos to the hashtag French with Mr. Innes. But for now, à bientôt, and au revoir!